Each day comes with 86,400 seconds. The question is, how many of those will you make count?
You have to live your life if you want to get where you are going. With local call rates of just 11 kobo per second, reach out right now and call anyone, anywhere. Don't wait for anyone. Don't wait for permission. If you really want something, you take it. You've got to let the people that matter count. You've got to make every second count. Dial anyone, anywhere in Nigeria for just 11 kobo per second. Dial star 100 star 6 star 1 hash.
Isn't it time you make every second count?
Welcome to the next generation network. GLO Unlimited.